Which portable power station is actually good for camping? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Jackery Solar Generator 1000 V2. First up is the Jackery Solar Generator 1000 V2. This rugged beauty caught my eye because it promises a powerful 1500 W AC output and comes with a 200 W solar panel. Priced at $698.99, it's a bit of an investment, but if you want reliable power for your camping trip, it's worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With a 1070 WH capacity, the Jackery can easily handle your fridge, lights, and even your gadgets. You can charge it in just 1 hour using emergency charging via the Jackery app, which is a game changer when you're in a bind. And with its 10-year lifespan, you can count on it for years of adventures. Plus, the multiple charging ports mean you can keep several devices powered at once, which is essential when you're out in the wild. Now, some people complained about the weight, which is 23.8 pounds. Here's the thing though, for the power and features you're getting, it's pretty manageable. If you're going for a long camping trip, having solid power is more important than a few extra pounds. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable power source for long camping trips or off-grid living. Skip this one if you're looking for something super lightweight or only need power for small devices. For the features and reliability, it's a solid value. Now, if the weight of the Jackery bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Echark 200W Portable Power Inverter. Next up is the Echark 200W Portable Power Inverter. This little guy grabbed my attention because it's ultra affordable at just $20.99, and it's compatible with DeWalt 20V batteries. If you want to convert those batteries into something useful for your camping setup, this is worth a serious look. What makes this inverter special is that it can power up to 200 W of devices, making it perfect for charging your phone or even powering small appliances. It features 2 USB ports and an AC outlet, which means you can charge multiple devices at once. Plus, the built-in LED light is super handy for those dark camping nights. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you already have DeWalt batteries, you can save on extra batter packs while still enjoying the convenience of electricity. Now, some folks mention that the power output might not be enough for larger appliances. But honestly, if you're just looking to charge smaller devices or power LED lights, it's more than adequate. Just know that it's not meant for heavy-duty use. This is perfect for you if you want a low-cost, portable solution for charging small devices while camping. Skip this one if you need something for high-power appliances. It's definitely a great value for the price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need more power. Product number 3, Anker SOLIX C1000 Gen 2. Now let's talk about the Anker SOLIX C1000 Gen 2. Priced at $499.99, this power station stands out with its 2000 W output. If you want something that can power multiple devices during your camping trips, this might be the one for you. What's impressive is its ultra-fast recharging time of just 49 minutes. With the ability to power up to 10 devices simultaneously, including larger appliances, it's perfect for family camping trips or longer stays in nature. Plus, the compact design makes it easier to transport. However, some users pointed out that the app for managing power can be a bit glitchy. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, the functionality and power it offers make it worth the little hassle. This is perfect for you if you need a high-capacity power source for extended camping trips or if you have a lot of devices to charge. Skip this one if you only need power for a couple of small gadgets. Given its capacity and recharging speed, it's a fantastic value. Now, if the Anker's higher price made you hesitate, this next option might fit your budget better. Product number 4, Jackery Portable Power Station Explorer 300. Next is the Jackery Portable Power Station Explorer 300. At $199, this one's much more wallet-friendly and still offers impressive features. If you want a compact power station that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. It recharges to 80% in just 2 hours, which is super convenient when you're packing up for a trip. Plus, it's lightweight at just 7.1 pounds, making it easy to carry around. Here's why this matters for you. If you're planning short camping trips or need backup power for small electronics, this could be your go-to. Now, some users did find that it could struggle with larger appliances. But honestly, that's expected for a power station in this price range. If you're looking for portable power for smaller gadgets, it's still a great option. This is perfect for you if you need a budget-friendly option for light use while camping. Skip this one if you plan on needing power for larger items. For its price, the value is hard to beat. Now, if you're looking for something with more power and versatility, the final product might be just what you need. Product number 5, EF-ECOFLOW Delta 2. Finally, we've got the EF-ECOFLOW Portable Power Station Delta 2. At $449, this power station packs a punch with a 1800 W output. If you want something that can power almost anything on your camping trip, this is worth a serious look. What really stands out is its super fast charging capability. It goes from 0 to 80% in just 50 minutes. With 15 outlets, including USB-C and AC ports, you can run multiple devices simultaneously, making it perfect for family camping or even RV trips. Here's why this matters for you. You won't have to compromise on what you can bring with you. Now, a few users noted that it's on the heavier side. But let's be real, with the amount of power and versatility this station offers, a little extra weight is a fair trade-off. If you're serious about needing power, this can be a great fit. This is perfect for you if you want a high-capacity power source for varied camping needs. Skip this one if you prioritize ultra-lightweight options over power. For the features and capacity, it's a fantastic value. To recap, we've explored some fantastic portable power stations. The Jackery Solar Generator 1000 V2 for power and reliability, the budget-friendly Echark 200W inverter for small devices, the Anker SOLIXC 1000 Gen 2 for high output, the Jackery Explorer 300 for compact needs, and the EF-ECOFLOW Delta 2 for maximum versatility.